Hello everybody, I'm Miss Debbie. Welcome to Boss DG class, Best of Service. Today, we will learn about singular and plural, and an, and an. Let's start. Let's read. Singular, only one. Singular means only one. Use an for noun begins with vowel. Now, which letters are vowels? A, that's right. E, I, O, U. They are vowels. So we are going to use an. And use a for noun begins with consonants. Which letters are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. They are consonants, so we will use a. Now it's your turn. Let's try. I like to drink a or an cup of tea. Look at this. Cup. The nouns begin with letter C, which is a consonant. So we use a. That's right. I like to drink a cup of tea. Good job. Next. My dad likes to sleep under. Now the noun is tree, begin with letter T. So we are going to use that's right. It's a consonant too, right? Okay, next. We are going to start with octopus. The noun is octopus, has 8 legs. So octopus begin with letter O. Remember, it's a vowel. So we are going to use a or an. And good job. Wow, so far so good, right? Next. Wow, there are 3 nouns here. So we are going to have to decide, is it a or an? Hen. Hen is letter H, right? It's a consonant. That's right. So a hen, good job. And then this one for chicken. A chicken, good job, well done. And egg is E, letter E is a vowel, right? So an egg, good job, excellent, yeah. Let's go to the next one. Let's read this one. There's a boy who likes to eat apples. He eats a or an apple, good job, in the morning. Good. Next. He eats good job, an apple in the afternoon. Okay. Next one. He eats an apple in the evening. Well done. Okay, next. But look at this. But one day there aren't any apples. Mom gives him, what is this? A or an tomato? A tomato, that's right, because tomato begin with letter T, right? A consonant. Okay, next. And then he says to mom, okay, mom, I will try the tomato. And he likes it. Wow, yummy tomato, right? And then what happened next? Starting from that day, he eats, what's missing here? Good job. An apple on one day and eats, what is this here? Good job. Tomato on the following day. Wow. So one apple and then one tomato. Then next. Both. What is this? Good job. An apple and a tomato is healthy for our body. Good job. Okay. Do you like to eat tomato and apples? Look, and then look at this. Let's read, yeah? Fruits are good for our health. Okay. This is, what is this? This is coconut. So what is missing here? A or an? A coconut. Good job. And it's sweet and refreshing. Wow, look at her. Coconut. And then how about this one? This is orange. So what is missing here? A or an? An orange. Good job, because orange begin with a vowel O. Yeah. This is an orange. It's sweet. Wow. Do you like orange? And then look, this one. This is a or an lemon. What do you think? A or an? A lemon. Good job. Because lemon begin with L, right? Letter L is a consonant. And then how does it taste? Let's read this one. It's sour. Ooh, lemon is sour, but it's healthy also, right? Okay, next. Look at this. Have you tried this? What is this? It's a or an pineapple? It's a pineapple. Good job, pineapple. P begin with letter P, so we use a. Yeah, a pineapple. Good job. Next. Wow, how about you know? Which one do you prefer? Banana, a or an? Yay, a. Good job. A banana, because it's banana begin with letter B, right? Or a or an pear? A pear, that's right, because a pear is begin with letter P, right? So it's also a consonant, so we use a. A. Good job. Excellent. Next, yeah. So remember what have we learned today? Don't forget, for singular nouns, use a or an. Okay, for singular noun, use a or an. Only one. Yeah, means only once. And don't forget, remember to also eat fruits. Yeah, and stay healthy, everybody. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening and for learning. Goodbye. See you again next time. Bye-bye.